Alright then, I just want to make a hot dog Gouda pizza with my individual version. What I have here, I just already made a homemade pizza dough. I'm going to put the link for this recipe into the description box below and in this video. I made one from scratch. You want to just roll it over together to make a crimps of the pizza crust. You want to put this onto the cookie sheet. It has been already lined with parchment paper. It depends how many people who's going to make in the individual one. I'm going to grab some hot dogs on it, and I just always shred all of the Gouda cheese. And we're going to assemble it. Then I'm going to take out for the Parmesan cheese and of course the tomato sauce. As you can see, I just creep it down over onto the edge of the pizza crust. We use with my fingers to make it really evenly looks like. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it should just almost gain right on this size. So like I said, let's put this onto cookie sheets. Has been lined in with parchment paper. I just took out the hot dogs out of the fridge or out of the freezer that have been letting thaw for overnight. I just want to make sure to slice the hot dogs. Just want to get this size before we get ready to assemble. I'm making 4 pizzas for my individuals, and I took out for 4 hot dogs. Here's the one that I lined it with cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. Now what you want to do, you gotta take your tomato sauce, spread it on top of the pizza dough. Then we're going to sprinkle it some cheeses, which is the Parmesan go first, followed by the Gouda. Let's sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top of the tomato sauce. And some Gouda cheese. Let's arrange the hot dogs. And we're going to finish that the rest. Alright, I just end up with 4 of those individual pizzas. I already preheated the oven for about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Want to make sure the oven is nice and hot. And this is, I just arrange all those hot dogs. If I have lots of Gouda cheese, if I have any leftovers. And we're going to pop this in the oven, like I said, for 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to bake this, will be roasted for at least about 10 or 20 minutes or so. I'm going to see how it goes like. I guess it's only about 15 minutes or either 20. If we want to cook it for a long time, you can see it has this overflow about the hot dogs off the Gouda cheese. I made about 2 of the cookie sheets, and I made about 4. I let it rest for just a while to have before going to slice it in. And here you go, a finished hot dog Gouda pizza with my individual version. If you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below if you want to see something. Always have to make sure to be always watch before sharing. Just give it a big thumbs up for everyone. I'm going to give that a good slice of the individuals one to one by one person. Enjoy. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.